Being vulnerable is a key to deep connection. When you're surface, it's hard to get connected. When you go deep, now, when I say go deep, it doesn't mean, woe is my life. It just means, hey, this is what's going on in my, let me give you a peek behind the curtain. One of the things that I've noticed is when we open up that curtain and allow people to see what's inside, man, every single time that I experience that and do that, people embrace it. They embrace you. They appreciate you. They accept you. When I have somebody else that opens up the curtain and I just know a little bit more about them, man, there's a deeper connection. You're able to be more empathetic on both sides. It's my encouragement to you today is being vulnerable is key to deep connection. But yet, don't mistake that. That doesn't mean whining, complaining, being a bit, no. That's just saying, hey, this is what's going on in my life. Oh, this is the experience I've had. This is the why. Great. Now let's move on from it and let's build on that connection and not wallow in it.